What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. Today I'll be showing you guys how to remove the architraves off your door frames. The reason why we're removing these ones, we had a little dog down here, took a bite out of it, had a bit of lunch and then thought he'd have some dessert on the other side. So time to get rid of these ones. All you'll need is a couple scrapers and also a utility knife. Now the first thing you want to do is get your utility knife and you want to separate the joint. Okay, so anywhere where it's sealed up because of the paint, so as you can see there where it's starting to crack, we need to get this and open it up. So if you want to just run your blade down lightly over the joint, same thing on this side, just getting it as close as you can. All you want to do is separate the paint and just run it down the side. The reason why we do this is so that once we do remove the architrave, it doesn't peel the paint back. Just separate it like this. Do the same on this side. Then all you do is simply get your scraper, wedge it in wherever you can. Just like that, open it up a little bit and then get one that's a little bit thicker, pry it open and simply pull back slightly. As you pull back, slip the other one in on top and pull it back again. Working your way all the way up. Trying to stay wherever the nails are. So you can see here where the nail is. So we want to put as much tension on there so we don't snap it. Try to take it off in one piece. All the way up. Sometimes this will start to flex a bit too much. You might need something a bit more stiff. And just simply work that all the way up. So you can imagine if I didn't use the utility knife all the way down, it would have been peeling the paint off this timberwork here. Once that's done, you can just work it all the way down again. Now with this section here, when they've tiled it, they've tiled around the existing architraves. So what we need to do is cut this flush with the tiles. What I'll be using is my multi-tool. Okay, so this sits nice and flush down at the bottom. Once that's off, then you can simply pry it off and snap it flush with the tiles. As we have just there. And now we'll do the same on the other side. So there you have it, guys. That's how to remove your architraves around your door frames. If there's anything else you guys want to learn how to do, put it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.